My name is Willemijn van der Spuij. I work for Bristol Myers Squibb. I've been with Bristol Myers Squibb for nearly 21 years, and I have always been involved in drug safety and pharmacovigilance activities with international functions. So the PV strategy workshop is a very specific and focused workshop because I always feel that it is quite practically focused. Of course, the topics are drug safety or pharmacovigilance specific. It's in the title of the event. But we try to find a combination of practical exchange and learnings for the audience, as well as the hot topics or the topics of interest in pharmacovigilance that are of interest to the audience at a specific point in time. For the strategies workshop, one of the things that has been introduced is a workshop or think tank type exercise where people are able to think out of the box, work together, actually really interact in smaller groups and learn what others do, but also maybe share what you do as an expert. And the other one that I feel very strongly about is this year we have a session that is outside of our usual regulatory compliance thinking. It's more of an ethical discussion, which I think will make people think differently. And then as a takeaway of that, we hope that people will be able to learn from that and take that thinking into the day-to-day activities, because one of the challenges we have in our daily life in drug safety is managing the regulatory requirements versus the advancements, the environment that changes very quickly, and finding the right balance in doing what is right for the patients can be challenging. And I think in the strategies workshop, we're trying to combine the two and offer that to people as a takeaway when they go back to their daily jobs. If you have experience in drug safety and pharmacovigilance, it is a good opportunity to exchange and learn from others in terms of other practices. It is an opportunity to engage with regulators that attend and sometimes academics. And of course, sharing your experience with those that have potentially less experience. And if you are a newcomer in this space, then I think it is a great opportunity to listen and develop your understanding. It may be broader than what some of the roles and jobs are for some people, but it is a really nice space to meet others and learn from others for those that are developing and growing.